Thank you and good morning to my esteemed guests, industry colleagues, policymakers, and everyone present here. It gives me immense pride to be here today at the 8th annual conference of Metalogic PMS on a theme that truly resonates with the spirit of our nation. Make in steel, make in Bharat. Steel and stainless steel have been the silent strength behind every great nation. For India, a country with 1.4 billion dreams, steel and stainless steel industry form the foundation of self-reliance, security, and progress. To further strengthen our position as a global manufacturing powerhouse and an industry to reckon with, we must focus on producing sustainably and leading with quality. Today, as we all know, the global shift to green industries is irreversible. Thus, it is imperative to integrate sustainable materials with longer life cycle, corrosion resistance, durability, and cost efficiency into India's critical sectors. At Jindal Stainless, we are addressing this challenge head-on by working with different stakeholders to customize solutions that leads to long-lasting and green infrastructure. With renewable energy set to meet over 30% of our energy requirements and a clear pathway to reduce 50% CO2 emissions by 2035, our vision is to deliver infrastructure that is not only stronger and longer lasting, but also cleaner and greener for our future generations. By mainstreaming sustainable material into every sector, we can truly set the benchmark for a green industrial country. Also, it's very important that we cannot compromise on quality. No nation can hope to build infrastructure that lasts or earns global credibility. Yet, every year as a nation, we pay the price of poor quality products. The cost is not merely financial, it is measured in lost assets, lost opportunities, and too often lost lives. As a nation, we have become so desensitized to reading about bridges collapsing under heavy rains, structures giving way, which in reality are all stark reminders of what happens when short-term savings are placed above long-term strength. As an industry, we must stand against low-quality products or material coming in the country, given the criticality and the loss that it leads to. At Jindal Stainless, we are proud to be delivering quality materials for all critical sectors, thus replacing low-standard imports, ensuring India's strength is built on Indian soil and guaranteed safety and longevity. Some of the cutting-edge stainless steel solutions we have delivered for several milestone projects have become symbols of national pride for us. This includes Vande Bharat sleeper trains, BrahMos aerospace defense projects, and Chandrayaan-3 to name a few. We also have to acknowledge that quality cannot exist in isolation. It needs the backing of robust standards and firm policies. Strong frameworks such as the BIS standards are the backbone of consumer trust, public safety, and industrial competitiveness. Without them, substandard imports will continue to slip through, weakening our domestic industry and putting national infrastructure at a huge risk. This is where the government's role becomes a true enabler of national progress. And we highly appreciate the government's initiative in this direction and look forward to their continued support in ensuring enabling policies and stronger standards against the low-quality imports. This journey needs collaboration and knowledge sharing among all participants in the value chain, so that the entire ecosystem is working with the same goal in mind. These efforts include building awareness about the importance of materials right from the grassroots levels. Through our Stainless Academy initiative, we are building this ecosystem of training, partnerships, and advocacy by training thousands of fabricators, partnering with academia to integrate stainless steel into curriculum, and advocating for wider adoption of stainless steel solutions. We are ensuring that knowledge, skills, and awareness flow seamlessly across the value chain. So far, we have trained close to 53,000 fabricators in the ecosystem, and our effort continues. As I conclude, let us remember, quality will be our progress, quality will be our compass, sustainability our engine, steering our industry towards a future of strength and resilience. Wishing this conference a great success. Thank you. Jai Hind.